Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Chevy Traverse LTZ, stock number Z7916XX. 40,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Silver ice metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Traverse is a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, thick skylight overhead with sunshade, DVD player with wireless headphones and remote, rear audio as well as climate control. Middle row buckets will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera, rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Heated as well as ventilated front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.